So after a recent trip from Bowie, Arizona to Las Cruces, New Mexico, he walked into the rear bath and found this. The whole window assembly, which was a vent that opens at the bottom, got totally blown off. So what I'm going to try to do to fix this, I bought some acrylic 1/8 inch thick plexiglass, basically at a hardware store. Fortunately, I have another window like this in the other bathroom, exact same window, so I was able to get the actual accurate measurements of the outside pane, which is 19¼ inches wide by 25¼ inches tall. So what I'm going to do is just push that against this outside weather stripping, and then attach some wood blocks to the plexiglass, and then put a couple of screw holes in here to hold the wood blocks. And do that on each side, the bottom and at the top, and hopefully that should be good enough until we get a replacement, which will probably take months. To facilitate that, I'll remove this adjustment, and this is where it's separated. This adhesive on this side that attaches the bottom of the glass, so that let go, and the thing probably started flapping and just tore itself off. Hopefully nobody got hit by it, and luckily it seems to have missed our tow vehicle. You kind of see at the top there, it just ripped right through the aluminum bracket. So the knob here was held on with rivets, so I had to drill those out. 1/4 inch bit just through the cap of the rivet and came right out. And then I used a 3/16 bit to drill the body of the rivet out. So here's the fake temporary window, which is it's made out of some acrylic sheet. It's pretty thin though, so it tends to flex. So I made up two 16-inch long pieces of 1½ inch by 3/4 hardwood and two 10-inch long. And I got to get mounted something like this. And those will be screwed to the acrylic from the outside, and then these will project inside and get screwed to the flange on the inside frame, and that should stiffen it up enough so that it doesn't flop around in the wind. So at this point I've got the temporary acrylic pane taped to the outside, and now I'm going to go inside and mark where the 1½ by 3/4 inch strips of wood are going to go. Okay, so the goal here is to hold the wood strips in place, and then I marked it with a Sharpie. So now I can take it down and know exactly where to position the wood strips. So now you can see I've marked the bottom, the top, and both sides with the Sharpie. So I'm going to go take the window down now and screw those wood strips to the plexiglass. Okay, so here's the new window with the strips mounted to the inside. So here I've got the wood blocks mounted to the plexi and test fitting it. And it has a nice little friction fit right now. So the next step is I'm going to drill a couple of holes here and here, probably somewhere like that, here and here, maybe an inch, 1¼ inch screw, and just apply enough pressure to pull it against the foam weather strip on the outside. And that should do it till the new window comes in. Okay, so here's the finished product. Not terribly attractive, but will do the job until the 2 months wait for the new window to be manufactured and delivered. So here's the finished product. Again, it's not the prettiest thing in the world, but it'll keep the rain and the wind out hopefully for the next 2 months. So this is the window after it's been installed. If the wood was painted black, it wouldn't show up as much from outside, I guess. So you can see that, oh, maybe you can't. Let's see, maybe this one, yeah, there's a gap between the 1.5 inch wood and the flange of the inner flange of the window. So you just want to tighten these screws. These are 1.5 inch screws. You just want to tighten them up enough so it starts to slightly distort the flange, so that's going to ensure that the plexi is pulled tighter against the outside weather stripping. If I was doing this again, I would probably use a thicker plexiglass because it's too much flex, so it even bends a little bit even though I've got all this reinforcement. 1/4 inch would be great, but probably be pretty expensive to do that. In any case, this is going to last a couple of months that we need to before we get the replacement.